Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting Sales versus Campaign app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like you seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard analyzes historical campaign spend alongside revenue to highlight what's working. For example, comparing the sales data and expenditure for the month of Feb over 3 years, we find out that the lack of campaign 7 led to a drop in the revenue in 2023. Once it was reintroduced in 2024, the revenue went up again. You can see which campaigns are active, how much was invested, and what sales were done. Use these insights to refine your future marketing efforts and focus on campaigns that deliver results.